So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the secret sauce that I apply in every single video that I do, extremely underrated, to get the viewers' attention, the eyes, to go exactly in the place that I want them to see or look or pay attention to. And not many people are talking about. Let's dive in. Right here, just so you know, settings, my color management is this because I added on Mac. There's many different tutorials out there, just so you know what I'm working with. To show you my nodes here, extremely simple. I just use the color space transform, convert to slog3 and rec 709. This is my node. I always like to do what? Exposure and composition, white balance, saturation, to play with the grades, to do some extra stuff, and keep the color space transform last. Exposure, I always like to keep this as a guideline. Usually I go with the offset. I like to use this one instead of the log. There we go. Just to bring a little bit more up. But I like to go here on the curve as well. Boom. That's it. It's pretty spot on. White balance. You can see a lot of white here. Everything technically should be on top of each other, as we can see there on the scope. If you don't see, it's qualifier. So that was the exposure. Now let's do the white balance. You can see there is coming far away from each other. Everything should be white. So I'm just dragging this, and you can see that now is one color. It's white. Everything is white over here. Perfect. There we go. Now that we have that, fixed saturation. Let's bring it up. The red there. Boom. Popping. Grade, here's where you can play with different effects and colors that you want to do. I like to put offset a tiny bit to drag this. If you bring to the vector scope, let me just go back. See how it's a little bit pulled to the orange side? If I bring this, everything is gonna kind of like balance it out and bring that tone. This is the before and after. Just create a little bit more of that vibes. And here is where the effect lives, the secret sauce. Because usually the image can be very, very difficult to drive the eyes on the point that we want people to look at. It's usually very busy. What I like to do is window, as you can see here. Click here and then circle. I like to create a little feather and make it bigger. Put in any area of the frame that you want the people to focus on, because that's gonna drag the attention. And then I'm gonna reverse this. This is exactly what it does, reverse. You can see here, everything that's outside. If I press this, everything's inside. I want the outside. And now we're gonna go back to the color wheels, and we can do two things. Bring the saturation down of the environment a little bit, or you can bring the offset down as well. Don't do it too much, otherwise it's gonna be crazy. But I like to bring this a little bit lower. Waveform. See how kind of create that vignetting situation, but in one part, in one center point. If I click here, turn it off, you see how my eyes adjust. I didn't had that option before, but now that I see, it's much better. Same thing. If I open this for you, power, stay focused on this area. If I turn this off, my face is just in the dark. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment down below. So if you haven't seen my video yet that I applied this, go watch. I'm sure you're gonna be able to notice now because your eye is gonna be all over the place.